At AbiliTrek, we make it easy for travelers with disabilities to find businesses they can access. To find an accessible location, all you have to do is ask. Since everybody is unique, we offer personalized search results by creating a free and secure profile based on your accessibility needs. You can select your accessibility preferences from the three main categories: mobility, vision, and hearing. Each time you search, our platform will find the most accessible location for your specific accommodations. We have also included keyboard accessibility on all of our pages, making keyboard navigation even easier on the site. Each business can be evaluated based on 5 main criteria of accessibility: parking, entrance, bathroom, visual accommodations, and hearing accommodations. A green icon means very accessible, while red means not very accessible at all. Our site recommendations are only as good as the reviews we collect. You can review a business, and together, we can make the world more accessible for everyone and empower them to trek without boundaries.